Once again, I welcome to my channel RM Classroom. So yesterday I have discussed or uploaded the question related to the open channel flow, and the question was: a very wide channel in laboratory is meant to deliver a uniform flow rate of 2 cumecs per meter width. Assuming the Manning's roughness as 0.02, so which one of the following combination will not give a uniform flow? The option A: when the flow depth is 2 meters and the bed slope is 1 by 4000. Option B: flow depth is 1.5 meter and bed slope is 1 by 2400. Option C: flow depth is 1 meter and bed slope is 1 by 625, and flow depth is 0.5 meter and bed slope is 1 by 62. So we have to check for the out of these four options uh, in which the flow is uniform and in which the flow is non-uniform. So firstly, we have discussed the very wide channel. So in an open channel flow, I have discussed about the very wide rectangular channel, the channel in which width of the flow is much greater than the depth of the flow. So wide rectangular channel. So let us assume this is our wide rectangular channel. This is B and this is normal depth of flow. So in wide rectangular channel, B's width of the flow is much greater than the normal depth of flow. So in this case, if I computed the hydraulic radius, so what is hydraulic radius? So hydraulic radius is the weighted area by weighted perimeter. So weighted area can be written as B into Y and weighted perimeter can be written as B plus 2Y. This area is weighted perimeter. So as I told you, in a wide rectangular channel, width of the channel is much greater than the depth of the flow. So B is much greater than the 2y. So R can also be written as approximately B into Y divided by B. So hydraulic radius is equal to the normal depth of flow in case of wide rectangular channel. So if I apply the Manning's equation, so according to Manning's equation, in terms of discharge, so we can write Q is equal to 1 by N A R to the power 2 by 3 S to the power half, where Q is the discharge, N is the Manning's roughness coefficient, A is the area of the channel, R is the hydraulic radius, and S is the slope. So in case of rectangular channel, we can write 1 by N, area can be written as B into Y into R to the power 2 by 3 S to the power half. So Q by B can be written as Q by B is equal to 1 by N Y, and hydraulic radius in wide rectangular channel we can write Y to the power 2 by 3 S to the power half in wide rectangular channel. So small capital Q by B can be written as discharge per unit width small q, that is equal to 1 by N Y to the power 5 by 3 S to the power half. In the question, Manning's roughness is given, that is constant for all the options, so 0.02. So we can write discharge per unit width, that is equal to Y to the power 5 by 3 S to the power half divided by 0.02. So we have to check. The four depths are given. So depth of flow in meter, and the bed slope. So slope is given, and if I compute the value of Q, that is equal to, what is the value of Q? Y to the power 5 by 3 S to the power half divided by 0.02. So in the first option, if I check, the depth is 2 meter. So depth is 2 meter and the bed slope is 1 by 4000. So depth of the bed of the slope is 1 by 4000. Similarly, it is 1.5, 1 meter and 0.5 meter. So the slope is given, that is 1 by 2400. So 1 by 2400, 1 by, for option C it is 1 by 625, 1 by 625 and 1 by 62. So we have to find the value of discharge per unit width. So for when y is equal to 2 meter and slope is 1 by 4000, so we can compute 2 to the power 5 by 3 into a square root of 1 by 4000 divided by 0.02. So it is coming, Q is coming 2.5 meter cube per second per meter. Similarly for it is for 1.5 meter, so it is 1.5 meter and the bed slope is 1 by 2400. So 1 by 2400, so it is coming 2 meter cube per second per meter, 2 meter cube per second per meter. Similarly for the depth of 1 meter and the slope is 1 by 625. The slope is 1 by 625, so it is coming 2 meter cube per second, 2 meter cube per second per meter. And similarly for 0.5, so 0.5 and the slope is 1 by 62, so it is also coming 2 meter cube per second per meter. So in the question the discharge per unit width is given, that is 2 meter cube per second per meter. And here for this combination we have computed the value of discharge per unit width. So for the first combination the discharge per unit width is coming 2.5, and rest of the three, that is for 1.5 meter and slope 1 by 2400, depth of flow 1 meter and slope 1 by 625, and 0.5 meter and slope 1 by 62, the discharge per unit width is coming exactly equal to the whatever is given in the question. So this combination will give uniform flow, because in question small q is given 2 meter cube per second per meter, and for the different combination we have computed the value of discharge per unit width. So for the first in the first option that is for depth of, for depth y is equal to 2.5 meter, y is 2 meter, y is 2 meter and slope of 1 by 4000, 1 by 4000. Small q is coming 2.5 meter cube per second per meter, that is not equal to the 2.0 meter cube per second per meter. So here flow is not, for this combination flow is not uniform. And for the rest of the combination, so option A, option A is correct. So option A is